Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about solution architect, what a solution architect is, what he does on a day-to-day basis that makes him so important that we have to invent this particular job, solution architect, that a particular technical architect, software architect or enterprise architect they could not do. That's why we have to define this particular role, solution architect. So now I will share different examples. I'm using this Facebook page in the background so that will help me in making you explain different scenarios that a solution architect think and other people don't think from that perspective. So if you just scroll down, if I just scroll down this particular page, so as you can see different posts, different comments. So the main idea here is that so the main idea here is that we are seeing a page, particular page. So this page may have some technical requirements, may have some business requirements. These are just a bunch of posts, and in between there are different segments also. So how do we make sure that a solution architect understands this particular thing? So first of all, he needs to understand why and how of everything. Technical requirement, what are the different components required to bring this thing online, bring this thing live 24/7. He needs to understand that thing. I will go into depth of those things further, but let's have a brief overview first of all. He needs to see the hidden problems into this particular page. One problem may be that we may not be seeing the relevant posts. Another problem may be we may be seeing too frequently refreshing posts, or we may not be refreshing the posts at all. So no one may be approaching to a solution architect that there are some problem into this particular page. You just need to go through the different things and analyze wearing different hats that whether a solution is required here or not. So if we go through these things, so as we see a page, whether the image is loading properly or not, whether the data is safe, secure, whether the business aspects are getting meet. For a company like Facebook, business aspect is social media. So whether they are growing in terms of social media, they are keeping ahead of their competitors, what their competitors are doing. Maybe they are going through such as Facebook came to Instagram. Facebook bought Instagram and WhatsApp because they were becoming the next level of social media. So what Facebook not doing differently was moving from Facebook was too much of content, text, everything. But to be on a mobile first, we may not have much time to go through text, but we may like to have some images. So Instagram is the better version of the Facebook. It is just the next version of Facebook only. So that's how if you go through these particular images, so whether these images are required or not, whether the purpose is getting fulfilled or not. If we go through the exact requirement, if we open up a particular page, such as if we open this particular page, so this is a page that someone has created for people to sharing their business needs. So why Facebook at all came up with this particular page, with this particular concept where people can create their groups and pages? Is it relevant? Are people able to use this particular thing, these particular things for their advantage to help other people to make their business grow? Why should a person at all who is selling their products anywhere else, why should they start posting to Facebook? Or how Facebook can become only the one-stop shop for one particular segment, one particular market, for a local market, hyper local market, or for the national or international markets also. So these are the things that a solution architect needs to think about. He needs to present this solution to the management. First of all, he needs to think different architectures, and then he needs to present the different technicalities. Think about different technicalities. Think about different technical architect diagrams. Then she needs to think about the diagrams from the business perspective. Then he needs to create an end-to-end solution. He just doesn't need to present some diagram. He just needs to present a solution. That is the most important thing. In a solution architect, there is a solution. He needs to think about very deeply about the problem. He needs to think whether a problem needs to be solved or not. He needs to think whether we need to think or how we need to approach the particular problem, how we need to present the particular solution to the management also. Soft skills are also very much required into this particular thing. If a person is not using his soft skills to communicate properly, then he may not be considered as a good solution architect, because it is also considered a pre-sales kind of job, where you need to present your solution to different companies even when your sales team has approached. So pre-sales does, just before the sales happens, he needs to present his solution to different clients, that this is why their solution is good, or this is why they should use their solution over the other present solution or present market solutions. If there is a other solution present, then why they should buy their solutions only, even if their product or solution is costly than the other products. Thank you so much for listening and understanding it so much. Thank you.